Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 7th. My subject is English and the topic is cries of animals. It is in the lesson in Sympathy. So, dear students, the animals, the names of animals have been mentioned in the lesson like asses, bees, cats, crow, hen, duck, eagle, fly, turkey, wolf, lion, pig, and we have to find the cries or the sounds of animals. The cries of animals or the sounds of animals. Sounds of animals. Right? It is either cries of animals or the sounds of animals. Right? So, dear students, first name is asses. Asses. Right? Bray. Asses. Bray. Two. Bees. Bees. Buzz. Right? Asses. Bray. Bees. Buzz. There are three one. The third one is cats. Name is already given. We have to find out the sounds, right? Cats purr or mew, right? The fourth one is crow, caw, right? Crow, caw. The fifth one, hen, hen, cluck, cluck, right? The sixth one, ducks, it is crows, hens, or we have to add s here. If we write here the singular, then we have to add here s. So it is in the book asses, bees, cats, crows, hens. Hens cluck, right? Ducks, ducks, quack, right? The seventh one, flies, flies, flies hum. The eighth one, turkeys, gooble, google, right? The ninth one, wolves, wolves, howl. The tenth one, lions, lions roar, right? The 11th one, pigs, pigs, pigs grunt, right? The 12th one, monkeys, Monkeys. Monkeys chatter. Chatter. So you see, when you open the book, you will see the names of the animals have been given, and we have to find out their sounds, their cries. So the students names: asses bray, bees buzz, cats purr, crows caw, hens cluck, dogs quack, flies hum, turkeys gobble, wolves howl, lions roar, pigs grunt, monkeys chatter. Right? So this has been done, and you will try to memorize all these animals and their sounds. So this was all about today. You will see this in your book, English book of class 7th. Dear students, you will find this question there. You will find the names of animals, and we have to write down their sounds. So we did it. So it was all about today. Dear students, stay home, stay safe.